everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. That was a bit dramatic, but hey, I'm sure you've already figured out what this video is about based off of the title. So if you're curious to learn why I finally bit the bullet and got rid of Ipsy, stick around. So I figured instead of me just talking to you the entire video, we could do a get ready with me as I explain and share with you what the final straw was. So there are several reasons. One is I only have one face. I was subscribed to Ipsy for over 5 years. And let me just say, if you are just getting into makeup, it's a fantastic way to build up your collection. However, at this point, I have way too many products. So this ginormous basket, which you see filled to the rim, this is the number of contour bronzers I own. Yes, I have one face. That is a lot of product. So yeah, I figured for 2025, I need to start decluttering and using what I already own and stop purchasing so much makeup. Now that doesn't mean I won't purchase something. I'm going to be on a low buy. Low meaning it gives me some wiggle room in case there's a spectacular sale or some viral product goes out that I would like. But what I want to try to do is use up what I own, review the products, and if I don't like something, I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to refer to it as like a slow declutter. I may or may not do a sit down where I go through 100 products and do that kind of declutter, but I thought it would be fun, especially since I have so many products that I haven't used in literally years, where I'll pull it up and I don't remember my thoughts. So why not just use a product and at the moment determine, do I like the shade? Do I like how it applies? And if I don't, put it in a get rid of pile. And there'll probably be a maybe pile and a definite keep pile. But I'm curious what your thoughts are on that. Now, the second reason I'm getting rid of Ipsy is OMG. First off, my December box was very disappointing. If you missed that video, I'll link it in the eye above. Then I saw the spoilers for the January box. It was so full of just mundane, repetitive, not meaning the same brand, but just more serums, more contour bronzer sticks, more just mascaras, and I don't wear regular mascaras. I only wear waterproof, and I'm pretty boring or pretty streamlined where I found one I enjoy and I just keep repurchasing it. So as I finish applying my makeup, oh, by the way, I should probably zoom in. I thought it would be fun to share with you not only what I saw for the spoilers, but I looked up a couple of different creators that I follow to see what they got. Now, they both got the exact same thing and had the exact same choices. It could be because they're on the PR list. I don't know. But I was not pleased with what I saw. And that's what finally gave me the courage. And yes, I say courage. The reason I say courage is because I have a beauty subscription unboxing channel. So I had this fear, or one of the reasons why I've hung on to Ipsy for a couple of years longer than I wanted to, because I figured people might unsubscribe, or the reason they did subscribe is because they like watching my unboxing videos. And who knows, maybe I'll end up resubscribing, but honestly, at this point, I don't think so. Which brings me to reason number 3. So I was calculating how much I spent each year on my Ipsy subscription. So I would get the regular boxycharm by Ipsy, and then 4 times a year I would do the upgrade to the icon box. The regular box and the icon box both were increased in price this year. The boxycharm by Ipsy went up $2 a month, and keep in mind, like last year or a year and a half ago, they also had an increase. So it's up to $34 a month, and that's before taxes. The icon box went up, I want to say $4 a month. So now it's $64. Now you do get 8 products, and both of those are really good deals if you don't already own so many products. So I calculated that $34 a month times 8, which comes to $272, and then 4 months at $64, that is $256. Combined, that is $528. I don't know that I would spend $528 on makeup every year. So I'm looking at it as maybe I can save some money. But also, if I do want to do a nice haul, I won't feel bad or guilty because I, saved that money, and just I can get the products that I want and not end up with hair care products or other things. So that is where I am, but I am very curious what your thoughts are. I know you've put up with me, or those who've been around. If you're new, welcome. I'm very honest, and I have not enjoyed numerous Ipsy boxes, but then there's others where I was really thrilled and excited. So 2025 will be a new and exciting year, and I need some change. I need to start using all of these products. The guilt of what I own, and I can't tell you as a small creator how many times I purchased something or did a haul or added on or whatever for content. Literally, if you buy something, you can unbox it. There's a video. After you unbox it, you can do a try on. There's a video. Then you can do a review. It's insane, but as a small creator, I don't get PR. Well, one time I got PR, but that was a miracle, and I still don't know how that happened. But my point is, I don't do this to get PR. I'm just saying, hey, if I did, that would, save me some money and give me something to film. But as I already own thousands of makeup and skincare products, there's no reason I can't review what I already own. But I'm very curious to hear what your thoughts are. Are you still gonna follow me? Now, I will still have my Allure Beauty box, which I think is a fantastic deal at $25 a month. And I actually do the 3-month or 6-month payment. So I get it for a discount. I'm only paying $23 a month. And typically the box value will be anywhere from $110 to sometimes I've had it be worth over $200. Again, not that I do it for the money value, but I'm just saying it's a really good deal, and you get a good mix of skincare, makeup, etc. And the lovely $7 a quarter Walmart beauty box. And that last box was really good. It had like a $44 value for $7. So I will be doing that. You will see some hauls and unboxings for stuff I purchased in December. Ooh, I'm super excited for the Lucky Bag. And if there are any trend mood boxes that catch my eye, I will still pick those up. But let's see how long I can last without resubbing to the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. I don't know. I took a look at some of the spoilers for the February icon box, and part of me was having a little FOMO, and then the other part was like, girl, you own half that stuff. I'm a sucker for foundation, and I saw a foundation, and then I thought, you know what, even though they show in the spoiler, does not mean you're going to get it, because that's another issue I have with Ipsy, is that, they would share something, and then I get really excited, and then I wouldn't get it in my box. I sound like a whiny. There's no guarantee, but you get all excited. So I'm not going to 100% guarantee it, but I'm going to work my best. I'm going to try my best to hold strong and not cave. But hey, I'm allowed to change my mind. All right, that there is a product I got that I haven't tried over it. Let's maybe take the brush I used for foundation and kind of do that. All right, it's taking me a lot longer to put my makeup on than I thought it would. So let me pop off camera, finish my look, and then I'll come back and give my final thoughts. All right, so here's the final look. Let me know what your thoughts are about me giving up Ipsy. I know several of you have already canceled, yet you still watch me, and I'm hoping you will continue to do so and that you weren't watching just to see what I got to make sure you weren't missing out. But I just think, I don't know, I think I made the right choice. So for example, here's choice one that those two other creators got. A Wander Beauty Neutral Eyeshadow Palette, a Ren Moisturizer, a MZ Skin Serum, a Biro Clay Mask, and a Gloss Moderne Travel Perfume Spray. Not a full size, a travel. So knowing me, I would have picked the Wander Beauty Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. But I already own so many neutral eyeshadow palettes. So to me, choice one was, you know, a moisturizer, a serum. I don't do clay masks, and perfumes are risky because if you don't like the scent, then you've wasted one of your choices. Choice two had a Dominique Cosmetics mascara. Then they had the Nuco Retinol Serum, so yet another serum, a serum in choice one and in choice two, a Verb hair mask. You all know how I feel about haircare products. A Perlice blush stick in 2 shades. I probably would have picked the blush stick, even though I own all of these blushes, and this isn't even everything I own. This is not the same basket that I held up earlier. No. Oh my goodness, this weighs a ton. So here is the contour bronzer, and here are the blush products that I own, if I can lift them up. Look at this. It's too much for one face. In choice three, what do we have? A MAC lipstick. It was in like a brick red. I know I wanted to pick that. An Ofra Midi palette. I actually already own 2 of the Ofra Midi palettes. A calming cream, whatever the heck that is, from a brand I've never heard of called Olivia Uma. An enzyme cleanser from Aloe Yoga. A Rosé Patchology sleeping mask, and we know how I feel about Rose. And a Skin & Co. Roma body oil. Now, I do like products from Skin & Co., but I'm not a big body oil person. So, sleeping mask, no thanks. Enzyme cleanser, nope. Calming cream. I honestly probably would have picked the Ofra Midi palette, even though I already own 2 of them. Now, the Ipsy picks were brightening skin pads from Lauren Skincare and a primer from Seraphine Botanicals. Yep. But I'm really curious what your thoughts are. What did you think of your box? Did you get your box yet? If you don't have a channel, please tell me what you got. I will hold strong and not experience FOMO, but I am curious if I did make the right decision. And let me know if you have canceled in the past and then circled back. That may happen, but I'm going to try to hold strong and just keep reminding myself that the $528 before tax that I would spend throughout the year on the BoxyCharm by Ipsy or Ipsy Icon Box, I now can actually do a guilt-free, well, this is girl math coming in, I can do an Ulta or Sephora haul and be like, you know what? In the past, I would get my Ipsy and do Ulta and Sephora hauls. Now it's just if and when I really need something. Like I know I need to buy more mascara because I actually use up my mascara. But when it comes to blush, bronzer, highlighter, I have no excuse to be buying any of that because I'm not going to lift it up again. It was way too heavy. You saw how many products I own. All right, I feel like this video is way too long for the topic, but I do want to hear your thoughts and hope that each of you who have been following me will stick around. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.